Hi everyone, it is a bright sunny day here at Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln where we camp better, and today we're going to look at the 1999 Challenger 30RK fifth wheel. Here's an outside look. Here's a manual awning, triple folding stairs, ladder rack to get to the roof. On this side we can see the one slide out. It looks to be in pretty good condition for a 99. Let's look at the inside. We walk into the living area. You can see there is a nice couch there, and there is a rocker recliner right next to the door. Table and chairs is back here in the rear kitchen area. That's what the RK is for. There's the microwave, lots of great oak cabinetry, along with the oak panels on the refrigerator. It does have that stove cover on the 3-burner stove, so it gives you some more counter space. Double welled sink. Over here we have the entertainment center, and above that is the ceiling fan. Those are a really nice option for some good airflow in these. Moving on, up here we have all of the controls, and next to that is the bathroom. Pretty large bathroom for a smaller fifth wheel. Again, lots of nice oak cabinetry for storage. Moving into the bedroom, we see we have a nice pillow top mattress. Cabinet storage all above and next to the bed, as well as the complete wardrobe across. If you'd like to see this or any of our other fifth wheels, we're on the corner of 27th and Cornhusker Highway in Lincoln, Nebraska, where you can view all of our inventory online at leachrv.com.